daughter number 3 bringing them their breakfast. What's that one's name?
Hydroponics?
Yeah, Kate's hydroponics coat.
What you say?
Coat hydroponics again.
Como ça va, YouTube? Danny here, Cajun Hydroponics. Today is the Grow Tent number 3 update. Let's check it out. Go. Got the lights turned off. But, as you can see, in the last 2 weeks, since we planted them in these pots, I think it's been 2 weeks, maybe almost 3, the tomatoes have taken off. Most of them are 12 inches. The one right here was, a leaf basically. So the tomatoes are really liking the Lumipool Grow Light. Pretty amazing, really amazing. And as you hear, start making a video and the dog comes drink water. But Cajun, back up, Paul. Quit being nosy. Out of the seeds that we started, the older seeds, we actually had a pretty good run towards the end. A bunch of new ones come up, but it looks like we're gonna have about 40 plants. Old Big Beef. Not very happy with it, but with old seeds, you get what you get. Looks like the cat came in and pulled a few of them out. Not very happy. Cucumbers, some of them did well, some of them not so much. They were all old seeds, all greenhouse seeds that I had bought from hydroponic stores. They were stupid expensive. But we're going to give them a shot, see what they do. We'll be putting them in some buckets, Lord. I spy with my little eye a bell pepper. We thought that was going to be thought it was actually a banana pepper that we had saved, but we've got bell peppers. The leaves are having a little bit of issues. I overwatered them a little bit, so we're having some issues. They need to be fertilized again for sure. But we have 3 out of the 4 that are still alive. I'm not sure how this is going to work out. It got knocked over the other day and it doesn't look like there's any roots left on it. It looks like it's dead. So it might be, the bucket might be a good spot for one of the bigger tomato plants. We threw a dragon fruit in there, see what it's going to do. Just to see. Some new leaves right here, boy. Oh, it's going to be fun to plant them big old bell peppers outside, them big old pepper plants. Plant them outside. Everybody can have some little 6-8 inch pepper plants. We're going to be going out there with 3-foot plants. We moved a few of the dragon fruit cuttings inside, and everything else that might die. We need to get some water on them today. We don't water near as much inside as we do outside because there's not much sun. So, have a lot going on, y'all. Whew. I'm tired already. Tired. But we're making the push. We're going to make it work. We're going to have some tomatoes and cucumbers and veggies this year, Paul. Look out. Shed Wars. Remember, John, Daddy's home. South Louisiana, boy. You got to love it. Y'all grow that later.